Are you currently searching for driveway sealing companies in Prospect, Connecticut? Are you sick and tired of looking at your old cracked asphalt driveway or parking area? Maybe it's time for a new look, or maybe you want to add value to your commercial business or residential property in Prospect by having those ugly cracks filled and seal-coated once and for all. VP Asphalt Paving is a family-owned and operated driveway sealing business and has been seal-coating and crack-filling commercial parking areas in the Prospect area for over 2 decades. Our driveway seal-coating workers are fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind. Please mention this YouTube video when calling and you'll qualify for our 10% new customer discount program on all our driveway sealing and crack-filling services. Don't wait for Old Man Winter to catch you unprepared. Get your blacktop driveway or parking lot seal-coated right now so you're ready for winter's damaging salt, ice, and snow. Thank you for choosing VP Asphalt Paving as one of the most trusted driveway sealing companies in Prospect, Connecticut. Call VP Asphalt Paving right now for a free no-obligation written quotation. We can be reached by calling us at 203-819-7414. Thank you for trusting in the VP Asphalt Paving name.